Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Google Slides. All right, let's begin. First, open any browser on your system. To convert a PDF into Google Slides, you must convert the PDF into a PowerPoint file. In the search bar, type smallpdf.com. When the website opens, you will see several options, so select PDF to PPT. Now click Choose Files. Select the PDF from your device and open it. The file will convert automatically. Once it is done, click Download on the right side and save the PowerPoint file. Next, open a new tab and go to drive.google.com. Click New, then choose File Upload. Select the downloaded PowerPoint file and upload it. After it appears in your drive, right-click the file, go to Open With, and select Google Slides. When it opens, click File, then save as Google Slides. So that's basically how you can convert PDF to Google Slides. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.